Well, I'd considered both a JD and an MBA all through undergrad and even before. But I started law school here, and they created the 3-year JD MBA program last year, and it just made a lot of sense for me. I could get both degrees within the same amount of time that it would take me to get just a law degree. I was able to take classes in both schools that I'm interested in and have access to employers through the career development offices of both schools. So there's just a lot of benefits. It just made a lot of sense for me to do.
I wanted to do the dual degree program instead of doing the degrees separately. First, to save a year of tuition and time. I think getting them both in 4 years was my main goal. But beyond that, I knew that having both degrees would make me better in my career path and stronger and make me stand out from other applicants. The workload is hard, but at the end of the day, you're getting twice the experience because you're not just getting the classroom experience from both sides. You're getting the internships, the externships, the availability to your professors. You're learning twice as much, not just in the classrooms, but in the real world too.